friends, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be decorating my entryway. I am going to be using this mirror that I purchased for 90% off at Hobby Lobby this year. I love how beautiful this mirror is. I love the wood, and you guys know that I am going more with a dry fall look because I don't really have any orange in my home, and I think this mirror is going to just look beautiful in the entrance. I'm going to add some wire to the back of the mirror so like that I can use the existing screw that I already have on the wall. I purchased this over at Home Depot. It lasts a long time. I don't know how many mirrors I've used this on. I really like using the wire for all of my mirrors. I just think it's a better way to hang them because like that you don't have to keep making holes on your wall, because you guys know how many times I've changed the mirror here in my entrance, and I would have probably like 20 or more holes in my wall if I would follow the hooks on the back of the mirrors. So I always recommend, if you can buy a pack of that wire, it's so affordable too. I think it's like $5 or something like that, and it lasts a long time. But I definitely recommend that because the wire is really thick, and they sell it by the weight. So depending on how much the mirror or anything that you want to hang like a frame weighs, you would buy the wire by that weight. Going through the decor that I have in my laundry room and that big cabinet that I showed you guys in one of my videos, and I found a candle holder that had this glass piece on the very top, and I took it off. I almost threw this away because I didn't really like how it looked on it, and as I was walking out here because I was going to take it outside, I tried it on here and it fits perfect. So I think I'm gonna use it here. I just think it makes it look so much nicer. I was thinking of putting something else there because I feel like the white and the color of the mirror don't go, but I don't really have anything right now to switch and leave it. I was thinking of maybe purchasing these in black because every time I go to Hobby Lobby I see them and I think they look a lot nicer, but I still like the white ones. Prefer to have both of them instead of painting these black again because I really like them in white as well. So who knows, but for now I'm just gonna add this onto here and put a candle in here.
Tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown, your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. Every time that I breathe, I can feel I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way.
Think about the garland. I love how it came out. You have to leave me a comment down below letting me know if you guys like this one or if you guys like the one that I have on the floating shelf in the living room more.
No need to dress up for me to see that you're a good man. You're a good man, a real good man. When the wind blows and the windows are closing, you let the world know what has been. No use in looking back, going back, wishing back. Cutting grass and chopping wood can be romantic. Sipping coffee under the apple tree is gentle, manly. You're a good man, quite the best man, a real fine man. When the wind blows and the windows are closing, you let the world know that what has been has been. And there's no use in looking back, going back, wishing back. You master how to simplify. You turn rain into a blue sky. Oh, when the wind blows and the windows are closing, you let the world know that what has been has been. And there's no use in looking back, going back, wishing back. Wishing back.
Can we stay here for a week or so? Just watch the corn grow in the fields. I don't know what's on your mind, but I know that it's something about you and me. I'll stay here for as long as I can, through the storms and through the calm. When you smile at me, I slowly begin realize that you are the one. I will sneak a note in your pocket, and I'll leave with your smile in my mind. Wherever we will end up, I will love it. 'Cause you're mine, 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 mine. And you know I'll walk a million miles for you.
I just finished decorating. I decided to go with the black wall pockets because I feel like they stand out a little bit more than the galvanized ones. And then this sign, you guys, I was actually thinking of putting it right in front of the mirror, but I thought it looked too busy. And right here, it looks beautiful. I love the colors of the sign. If you guys are new to my channel, I made this sign last year. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box if you guys want to check that out. I think I made this for my dining room last year. That looked beautiful as well. I think it looks really nice right here in the entrance too. I love like the gold colors. I just feel like everything goes so well in my house this year. Like all of the colors are like a dark orange, a light, a neutral color, a lot of copper, a lot of brown. I just think it looks so nice. I even like the sign right here that because it's white. Even on the pops of on the candle holders, they're white. I really like that too. I think it makes it look so nice. I was kind of worried that the white was gonna stand out too much, but I feel like it's the perfect touch. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to show you guys my entrance because I feel like it looks so nice. I love how the garland came out. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite thing. And then the mirror, oh my gosh, just everything is my favorite, you guys. Once I did the living room, I was like, oh my gosh, this looks so nice. And then I decorate the entrance and then I'm like, oh my gosh, this looks so nice. The same thing with the kitchen, you guys. I just love all of my decor this year. I'm so happy with how everything is coming out. And you guys, I have been collecting for several years. Little by little, I've been collecting. The only thing that I purchased this year was in that haul video that I shown you guys. I think it was a couple of weeks ago. I'll link that down below if you guys want to check that out. But everything else, I've had it. Last year, I had the same decor. So you just have to move things around and they will look like brand new, you guys. It looks so beautiful. I think it even looks better than last year. I was actually worried this year that when I was putting up my decor, it wasn't gonna look as nice as it did last year because last year I loved my decor as well. I loved my home. Like when I did my home tour, I thought everything looked so nice. But this year, I love it even more than last year. So to show you guys that you don't need like new things all the time. Just by adding little things into the decor that you already have makes such a difference. Like in the living room, I think the only new thing that I got for that was the pheasants that I have on top on the floating shelf. Everything else was decor that I already had from previous years. So little by little, you guys, if you guys are into decorating, you can get a beautiful collection. Don't think that you need to go all out and buy everything all at once. Little by little, a lot of the things that I do is when things go on sale, that's when I'll be purchasing things because you guys know that I love saving money. I'm all about saving and buying things that I enjoy. I feel like my home looks so beautiful. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys think, but let me show you guys around.